Hello everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you'll want to be subscribed and you'll hit your notification bell. So today I have a Temu haul. Who is Temu? Well, they're kind of like Shein. They have a lot of different stuff, cheap, based in China. And yeah, you guys told me about it. So I went ahead and purchased tons of stuff, and I've used the products so this way I can share with you all of my experiences. So if that's something that you want to see, then keep on watching. I was nervous ordering from Temu. Their shipping was super fast, I will say that, and I did get Christmas presents within my haul, so I was like, oh my gosh, are these going to be good enough for Christmas? So I was definitely nervous about that. I have seen a lot of positive reviews. I have seen some that feel like the site is a scam. Now this site has different sellers though. So there are similar items that you'll see listed on the site, but they come from different third-party sellers. So you have to be mindful when you are shopping on this site. So one of the things that I had gotten, which I had seen, was self-heated socks. And I got 6 pairs. I'll put the prices and stuff on the screen. Now, these have grippies on them, but you wear the grippies on the inside. This is what activates to get the heat. Now, mind you, I wore these things for a while. It says to make sure you wear them the correct way with the grippies on the inside. It says not to wash them or get them wet. I'm a little weary about that because how do you clean them? I'm guessing you could only use them for a short period of time and then they're not going to work anymore. So it tells you wear them for 10 minutes and you should start to walk around in them, heat. I did not feel heat at all whatsoever. Like at one point I thought, oh, it's working. It's going to heat up. It's going to heat up. It's going to heat up. It didn't. So just sharing my experience with you. Moving on, this nightlight is chargeable and you can also put batteries in it. I got 2 of them. I got a unicorn one and I got a dinosaur one. And I gave the dinosaur one for my son for Christmas and he loved it. It's a nice little nightlight for him to have. So I do enjoy that. I'll put the price again on the screen. And then let's move on to my dog sweaters. I have 2 dogs. One is a part Mastiff, part Pit Terrier. The other one is part Shepherd, part Pit Terrier. And I got a large and an extra large in Porcona. It's not super tight to where it's uncomfortable for her. But yeah. So anyhow, let me just show you close up what it says. It says Santa Claus on them. And then it says Merry Christmas. Yeah, spelled completely wrong. So I thought that was kind of funny. And yeah, you know, I only paid like $4 or something like that for each of these. So it is what it is. But the extra large, I'm thinking Kona's more like a 2X. Definitely have to remember that when I'm shopping for sweaters for her on sites. And of course, I want to make sure that it's spelled correctly next time. So that is that. And then let's move on to what I got for Kayla. This was a dance mat. It's so freaking cute. It worked really well. It lights up. It gives us the opportunity to jump on different things. Yeah, so this was one of the more expensive items. And to me, it's definitely worth it. It's something that we enjoy doing as a family. And then, yeah, let's move on to the next item. We have the ball pit, which I did not get enough balls for, as you can see. I thought 100 would work. Yeah, I was totally wrong. We need like 300 to 500. But anyhow, this folds up. It's really neat. It's easy for me and Kayla to get in there and play, and it's kind of fun. So I did enjoy this as well. I don't think they have any more on the site. I think they sold out of them. And I will mention on the site, their pictures and videos look really good. I don't know if they know how to manipulate videos or what, but I will tell you they look really neat. And in person, for the most part, most of the items look similar. I won't say exactly the same because they're not, but I just thought I would mention that. So we have here this wireless 5-channel electric intelligent walking Velociraptor simulation animal model is what they call it. How crazy is that? Anyhow, this was one of the more expensive items as well, but it is really cool. And for the most part, it works fine. But the arms, even with tightening them super, super tight, have a tendency Hi, Jackson.
Hi. This is mine, by the way.
This is yours? Santa brought it.
I'm gonna turn this thing.
Tendency to come off, which kind of stinks. So moving on. Okay, I thought this was cool, the smart video doorbell. I've played around with it, but it doesn't work with my 5G. So I was looking to see you could either change your gateway on the router to 2.4G, and what this simply means is that 5G works faster for shorter distances, and 2.4G works slower with longer distances. So I did find on Amazon that I could purchase a converter. It would cost me $50, but that's what I would need to use these. So I'm kind of like, you know, and I don't want to change things over from 5G completely to 2.4G. So to be continued on whether or not that works, because I can't try it yet. All right, next. Cute small zipper backpack. I thought these were adorable. In person, they really do look kind of cheap. Now, I picked these up for my nieces, and I haven't sent them out yet because I was thoroughly going through everything, and I'm still trying to figure out how the straps work on the back of it. But it is neat for a child, I will say. Let me do a close-up of this for you so you can see what I'm talking about. And then let's move on. Okay, so the wireless handheld high suction mini car vacuum cleaner, cordless, blah, blah, PA suction lightweight. Not worth it. Definitely not worth it. Get a dustbuster. One that has a car adapter. It just doesn't pick up much at all. So it's something where I found the products that I liked, I really liked, and then the products that I didn't like, I really Okay, moving on, a great price for wireless headphones, high audio quality, immersive headphones with microphone. These are neat because they charge right inside the little container, their box. And they're easy to use because you just attach them to your Bluetooth on your phone or your device, and then you find the little, it comes with extra, what are those things called? The little cushions for your ear. And you find the one that works and you plug it in. The only thing is there are some static with these from time to time, but for the price, you know, it is what it is. So they're okay. I mean, I got 2 of them, gave them to my kids. They can use them, but it's not like, you know, oh yeah, I got these awesome new wireless headphones, you know. Okay, moving on to an item that really shocked me, the multifunction LED display flashlight 4 mode. It's great. You plug this in and it charges, and I bring it into the car with me. I do DoorDash at nighttime, and I definitely need a flashlight to see house numbers and different things. It's very lightweight, and I only paid like $3, something like that. I'll put the price on the screen, but definitely worth it in my opinion. Okay. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything I got in my haul. What did you think? Tell me. I can't wait to talk to you down in the comments. Have you tried Temu yet? I know they've got a lot of coupons on a lot of different things. You can get a lot of stuff cheap. But again, be mindful of which buyers you're buying from. You know, definitely check out the reviews. And then, of course, do your YouTube search, because there are other people out there. If you want to know about an item, and maybe there's an item at, you know, you have been watching on Temu and you you want to see somebody else open it and figure it out, you might want to do a YouTube search for Temu hauls. So yeah, I can't wait to talk to you guys down in the comments, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoy unboxings and all things beauty related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tell me something about yourself. I'd love to get to know you and for you to get to know me. I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.